to the channel. It's Gus here back at Finance Motorsports, and today we have a GT style aerodynamics wing that we're going to install. Still a prototype, so it'll be out soon. You'll have the link in the description when it is out. Let's get started with it. Currently we have his first style wing right here, so we're going to start this off by removing the accessories, the cameras, the lights and all that, and transferring it into the second chunk that he has down here.
Alright guys, as Gus is assembling the wing, we also, like Gus said, it's a prototype right now. Like the bases, they're not painted, you know, just kind of raw right now. We're doing some prototyping right now, so usually we won't release it till it's done, but it's gonna be revealed for Subiefest along with some other parts you guys can see already. But they'll also be coming in gloss black finish or carbon fiber, so only 2 finishes. Maybe color match too if you guys are interested. But today, like I said, it's gonna only be prototyping, so we're gonna see how it mounts, the fitment, you know, how it drives with it, and then we're gonna revise it from there and hopefully be ready by end of the year.
So we finally finished the assembly of the GT wing. So, you know, fairly simple. All it is literally just a screw, washer, and then a nut to lock it in place. And we decided to keep it straight. So fairly easy. Everything bolts on like it's supposed to. No issues.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is officially Subiefest day, and to Jerry's left we have all the BBs lined up, including our, okay, we're actually missing Subi Cheese. I don't know why he's always late, but he should be here somewhere. But I have every color here, BB with our Fender Flares, all different setups. We're gonna go through that another day, but we're here with the whole gang right here. What time is it? 6:30, what the heck? We're gonna go over the cars later once we go set up at the booth. We have the biggest booth at Subiefest today. We probably have not the prettiest booth itself, but we have a lot of the nice VBs, probably the best VBs at the show today. We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and go to the freeway right now, hop on. Jared's gonna get some rolls for you guys, and then hopefully we'll meet a lot of you guys there today. We are giving away, hey Jared, let's show what we're giving away. We're giving away a lot of stuff. Like, so inside there, we're giving away like wheels, we're giving away lifts, spoilers, a bunch of games. So if you guys are there today, make sure, I mean, by the time this video's up, make sure to come by our booth. Yeah, so we're excited today. We can get a coffee in, and then it's gonna be a long, hot day. So we'll see you guys in a bit. officially at Subiefest. Our booth is set up. Our cars are lined up. Jerry's gonna show you, get a walk around of the show today, and then we're gonna link back and talk to some of our subscribers. So see you guys in a bit. I think we need the secondary mic. Damn it, I can't see it. Hey! Hey! What's up? Hey, they got free AC, free, you know, and we out here in the sun. Jerry, hey, open the door. Let's go inside in the black ones. And then, oh, there you are, Jerry. So, first, ticket number 642248. This is red. Bro, you have one already, no? Just kidding. Here you go, here you go. Right. By the way, give a round of applause for Jerry for being the cameraman, providing such an awesome YouTube video for us. Give him a raise. Yeah, give him a raise. Give him a raise. You did? Okay, I'll pay. Alright guys, 642058. Oh, you got it? Alright. Oh, here you go. Thank you. 642144. 642144. Alright. And that last one for the mirror caps in red. 642252. 642252. I heard it was gonna rain, guys. Alright. Adrian, that's the wrong number, Adrian. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. 642050. 050. Nobody? Nobody. Alright. Nobody? Alright, well, we'll do it again. Got it? 642 194. That's it. Wow. Alright guys, the grand finale, okay? The set of wheels right here, okay? 18, 9.5, 38 offset. Okay, Matt. Finish, Jerry. Finish. Matt Braun, okay? This will fit any WX and STI, 15 plus. If you're running STI brakes, you need a 10mm spacer. And then, let's do this. Alright. Shake it well, shake it well. Alright, 642202. Next. Alright. I know, yeah. Yeah, whoever was 202, y'all messed up. Oh, very close. Very close. 642-206. Next. Nobody? All right, guys. 642083. That's it. Alright, that's it, guys. Thanks for coming. Hopefully you enjoy your time here. See you guys next year. Peace. Yeah, they got a TV, bro. Perfect, man. Salt tires, you gotta go.
Subiefest. We give a lot of cool stuff. A lot of guys came through to say hi, say what's up. We really appreciate it. It really, like dead ass, you know. I get a little emotional. It's also hot right now. It's about to rain right now too. So it's a really weird day. It's raining. But as you can see, all the cars are here. You know, it was a great turnout. So for those again that stopped by and said hi, thank you again. Hopefully next year, you know, we'll double up the space and, you know, have more BBs and other cars. But yeah, that's it guys for today's video. It's hot. We're about to pack up and go out. So catch you guys next time. Peace.